Wondering how to start trading Forex? This is the video where I'm going to show you how you can begin your journey as a Forex trader. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria Adelie. I'm popularly known as the Pips Cassa, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through 5 steps to beginning your Forex journey. Step number 1, get an education. There is no beating around the bush. I mean, let's face it. The minute you go to Google and you click, how can I start trading Forex? The reason you do that is because you want to learn. Because you want to learn, you want to get an education. So that is step 1 to beginning your journey. Get an education. There are so many places where you can begin to think you're getting an education with regards to trading the Forex market. But the truth is, as far as profitable trading goes, you must get a structured education. Now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat that one of the best places to get a free education is www.babypips.com. Now, this is not because I'm trying to promote any website or we're trying to get paid for it, but this is because I've also gone through that process. I've read most of the materials and all of that, and I've seen that they do have a lot of basic information that most traders can benefit from. So go to babypips.com and begin the basic aspect of begin to get an education with regards to trading the Forex market from that side. So that's step 1, get an education. Number 2, create a trading platform. So what's a trading platform you want to create? It could be TradingView account. Just go to www.tradingview.com, create an account, confirm your account, and you have this whole interface right here. So normally you have it in the default setting. So all you just have to do is begin to take out the instruments you're not going to use. The default setting comes with a lot of volume indicator here, a lot of stock instruments and all. So you close them out and just bring out the instrument that you're interested in, which first start mostly is currencies. So create a TradingView account, or you could create a MetaTrader 4 account. So one of the ways you could begin to create a MetaTrader 4 account is to download it from your broker. So every broker has their MetaTrader 4. So download your MT4 on your broker, on your laptop, and on your phone. So having downloaded your MetaTrader 4, you can now begin to use that as an avenue to begin to do your analysis. In the description section, there is a recommended broker that you could try out. Right now, take note of the word recommended. If you already have a broker, that's fine. You go ahead with your broker, download the MetaTrader 4 and use them. And if you don't have a broker, check on the description section and click on the link to register with the recommended broker that we have there. So that's 2 steps to begin your journey. First off, get an education. Number 2, create a trading platform. You can use TradingView.com, or you can use a MetaTrader 4. So TradingView is such that it's online, right? So you can have access to it at any time you want. And as soon as you register, you already have an account with them. So the minute you log in with your details, and you have all your chat platforms open to you like this. So you begin to do your analysis based off this platform. So step 3, begin to practice everything you were learning. So when I said get an education as step 1, there is a reason why I said that, because most people come into the Forex market believing that it's just going to be easy, like they're just going to make money overnight. No, you want to learn how to do this, because this is a market that is based on a lot of strategies, a lot of structure, and a lot of dynamics that needs to be studied. So you can't come in here with half knowledge. You can't come in here after attending 1 day or 2 days workshop with a broker or with someone that told you or invited you for a workshop. You can't start trading with that information, because that will be like somebody saying they are ready to begin operating on an individual simply because they read a textbook or simply because they attended a seminar. You need to study it, okay? So all the education you're getting, you begin to put it into practice as step number 3. So you begin to do your analysis based on market structure, based on price action. So this chart is plotted here. You begin to analyze the market behavior, analyze the market move, and begin to scout trading opportunities, because the reason why you are looking to analyze the market is so that you can begin to see opportunities, because this whole forex is just all about buying and selling, right? So you buy and you sell. So the question is, where do I buy from? Where do I sell from? So that's the reason why you want to make sure you get an education. And at Pips Cassa, our job, our goal is to give you that guided education. I'm going to tell you that you could watch all the videos on YouTube. Like, you could actually sit and watch all the videos on YouTube, read all the books on Baby Pips, read everything. And if you don't get a guided education, guided mentorship, you will still struggle. There are so many people trading forex, and there are not many people profiting. So our goal at Pips Cassa is to help you trade to profit. That's the reason why we've been able to extensively study the market and create a guided curriculum, a well-structured curriculum that focuses on winning strategies, that focuses on all of those things that actually work, because there are so many strategies, so many indicators, so many. So if you want to commit time to all of them, you just might exhaust yourself. So instead of having to spend all of those times exhausting yourself trying to get material all over the place, wouldn't it make sense for you to connect with an organization that has already streamlined the whole process, made it simple, made it compact, and teach you how you can guidedly trade the forex market? So that is where we come in to teach you how to trade the forex market using a structured curriculum. So step number 4, you want to begin to journal your success, because when you begin trading, you want to make sure that you are seeing whether or not you're making progress. I see a lot of people attend a day or two training and they come out with a certificate and they're excited, and I wonder, the truth is, this is not a market that you graduate from. Yes, you can learn how to trade, learn all the dynamics in 2 weeks, but you will continue to learn for the rest of your life, because at every time you trade, the market presents you an opportunity. At every opportunity you see in the market teaches you something. So you keep learning, so it's a continuous learning. So your ultimate result, your ultimate certificate is your result, what you're deriving from the market, what you're able to get at the end of the day. So that's your result. That's the reason why you need to have, of course, you can't trade the forex market without a broker anyway. So if you don't have a broker, like I said, check the description section, create a broker account, and open a demo account, because the demo account is where you now begin to take all the things you've been learning and put into practice. Now, here's one thing I would say: you don't mistreat your demo account. Usually they have a minimum of $3,000, because it is real market situation but fake money. So the broker gives you practice money, 3,000 fake. Sometimes 5,000, sometimes 100,000. I see traders picking 100,000, and I ask them, do you want to fund your account with $100,000? Most of the time they say no. So why are you picking $100,000 fake money? Why not pick 3,000? Right? And there are some brokers that actually give you the option of $500. So pick that. Let it be that you are handling this broker account or demo account like you use a live account. Yes, your emotion will not be attached to it, because it's fake money. But whatever it is you do on your demo account, that we call practice account, that's the same thing you would do when you begin trading live money, when you begin trading real money. So it's very important that you don't mistreat your demo account. Don't go throwing 2 standard lot size, 5 standard lot size, things you may not do when you begin to trade real money, because if you're doing that, you're not preparing yourself mentally for the market. So getting an education, creating a trading platform, opening a demo account, these are the basic steps that you begin to put into starting your journey as a forex trader. So the 4th thing you want to do is to make sure you journal your success. I think I've already said that. You want to journal your success as you're making money, as you're progressing, as you're succeeding. You write it down, you take note of it, notice what you're doing, because that is what will let you know if you're making progress. Because you will now become your evaluator, your sensei, or any other word I want to use. So you want to make sure that you know exactly how you are progressing. Another thing that you want to begin to do is to know the type of trader you want to be. You want to be a day trader, you want to be a swing trader, you want to be an intraday trader, you want to be a scalper. Scalper means that you just want to take 10, 15 pips and you're done. So for every trade you take, you want just 10 pips. While you want to be a day trader means that you could take as much as 30 pips because most of these instruments move between 40 to 50 pips per day. Some of them go as high as 100 pips, some of them go as high as 120 pips and all of that. So you now decide how many pips am I going to be making per day. So I want to be a day trader, I want to be an intraday trader, I want to take a trade and carry it on to the next day, or I want to be a swing trader, I want to hold positions for a long time, targeting up to hundreds of pips, 500, 200 pips and all of that. So you begin to decide the type of trader that you want to be. As a Forex trader, the minute you decide that I want to trade Forex, that means you've made up your mind. Because see, a lot of people come to me and it is obvious from their conversation that they have a wrong notion of Forex. They believe Forex is something that they won't need to commit anything, but they will make a lot of money. That is not true. I'm going to tell you that right off the bat. That is not true. If you're thinking that you just come into this market with $10 and then you get lucky, I'll advise you to take that $10 and then you do something else with it. It doesn't work like that. This is a market where it is not cheap, it's expensive. Alright? I'm not trying to discourage you like you can't do it. I'm telling you now that so that you prepare yourself that this is not a market where you just come in with nothing. You should come in with something because in fact before we had brokers and retail traders came in, the forex market was reserved for the elite, for the very wealthy people, right? For the big banks. These were the only guys that could play in the market. But currently, you and I can trade just with a little as $100 at $500. Why? Because of the brokers. But that does not mean that when you come with $500, automatically you're going to become a millionaire. It means that you're going to have to invest in your education. You're going to have to commit time, invest in your time, invest in your education, invest in your time, invest in your commitment, and be ready to do it. So you need to make up your mind to do it. So don't include that, okay, how do I get rich quick if I trade Forex? If you don't know how to do that, you will keep losing money. A lot of people are losing money in this market. I'm going to be very frank with you. Most of the people that send me messages, like I'm very blunt, I tell them the way it is because I really don't have anything I'm selling, right? The only thing I'm selling is right here in the market. I buy Euro USD and sell gold whenever I like and all that. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm not here to convince you or try to sugarcoat anything or sweet talk you. I'm going to give it to you the way it is. If somebody just told you now that you're going to become a millionaire overnight with very little money trading forex, I want you to go back to that person and tell them that they've just lied to you. You are going to make money trading, yes, you will, but it doesn't come cheap. You need to commit time, you need to commit effort, you need to commit money. So these are the very, very important things. I see people coming to me and they say, I don't have any money, I say, you want to trade forex. I don't have any money right now. I don't have nothing in my hand. So how then do you want to trade forex? Let us face it. Like you want to trade, you don't have money. What do you want to trade with? Because this is a money market. This is a market where you use money to make money, right? So if you want to come and say you don't have money, then you get it. So it's very important that you know what you are up against. So these are the things you're up against. You are going to invest in your education. Do that. Very important. So check on the description section. Click on the link there. There is a WhatsApp link also that you can click on to chat with me directly. Make sure you're talking Forex. If you come with something else, I'll block you. So click on it to chat with me and let's talk more on how we can get you started in the market. And there is also another link there that helps you create a broker account if you already invest in your education. You need a broker account. You could get that also by clicking the link. So as a way of wrap up, I'm going to tell you this. Forex is very profitable, but you need to follow these 5 steps. Step number 1, invest in your education. Step number 2, create a trading account or trading platform, be it TradingView, be it MetaTrader 4. And step number 3, open a demo account using any of the brokers you like, or you can use the recommended broker in the description section. Step number 4, journal your progress. You want to journal your progress. You want to take note of the things you're doing. If you're doing it right, if you're doing it wrong, you want to take note of it. And finally, decide the type of trader you want to be. You want to be a scalper, you want to be a day trader, you want to be a swing trader, or the type of trader that you want to be. And if you want to trade successfully and master this game of profitable trading, then click on the WhatsApp link right there and chat with me directly. Click on the website link to begin your education. My name is Gloria Adeyo once again. I'm a trader and I'm the trainer that teaches you to trade to profit. Let's see you again next time.